Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please do take time to click that bell icon just below for notifications. On the menu today, chicken fried rice, or chicken and vegetable fried rice. Really tasty, really simple. I'm doing this one without egg. I've done the chicken fried rice with egg. This has no egg in it, this one, but it has some beautiful flavors. Super easy. Let's go and take a look at what we need to make this. So let's get started with the chicken. In there I've got 2 chicken breasts, no skin, no bone, and cut nice and thin. Some chopped garlic. We're going to use some of that when we cook the chicken, and then some with the vegetables and rice. Cornstarch or corn flour, black pepper, and soy sauce. This soy is a dark soy. You could use light if you want. Simply what we're going to do is we're going to mix the cornstarch, the pepper, and the soy into a little paste, and then we're going to add the chicken to that. Let's do that now. Okay, so that little bit of soy sauce is in there. Let's add a generous amount of pepper, and then a little bit of cornstarch. Going to give that a little mix. And then simply we're going to drop in our chicken, mix that, and then we can go to the cooker. Very easy. Okay, so I'm using this large wok. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use sesame seed oil if you wanted. Everything we're going to do is on a maximum heat. That's heating up. Here's our chicken. In it goes. Let's fry our chicken around for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then we're going to remove it. Then we're going to move on to the next stage. Okay, so we're about halfway through now. I'm going to add half of our garlic. Going to go for another couple of minutes, then we're done with the chicken. Okay, so chicken's done, set that aside. Now we're just going to take our vegetables. Onions, a little bit more garlic, half the garlic we used in the chicken, half we're going to use here. I've got some green beans, carrots, spring onions or green onions, and black pepper. Now, of course, you could be using any type of vegetables you want. Some mushrooms in there could be good, or whatever you like. Simply, we're going to get back to the cooker and start now with our vegetables. Okay, we're back now at the wok. Any little bits in there from the chicken we're keeping. It's going to add some lovely flavour. I've just added a little bit more oil. We're going to start off high heat. In go our onions. The rest of our garlic. The carrots, cut really nice and small. And our green beans. Black pepper, high heat. We're going to throw these vegetables around for about 3 to 4 minutes. Keep it moving pretty much all the time now. So I still like a nice crunch on my vegetables. Cook them how you want. We're now going to reintroduce the chicken. Staying on this really high heat. Let's go for 2 more minutes. Wonderful. Okay, now time for our rice. Basmati rice I'm using. Always make sure you use cold rice. Hot rice or warm rice doesn't work out so well. So nice and cold rice, and in it goes. What's important is to actually fry your rice. If we get a little bit of colour on the rice, a little brown, even a little blackening, adds wonderful flavour. We're going to go now for about 5 minutes, really high heat. I hope that you can hear that clearly. That is the rice frying there. That's the sound we want. Now if you wanted, you could be adding some egg in there. What you would do is push this to one side, beat a couple of eggs, drop it in there, cook it, fold it in. This version I'm doing is without egg. You may have noticed that we've not used any salt. Off goes the heat, by the way. I've not used any salt. Check that for salt. I find the soy that we used on the chicken enough. Let's get a lovely amount of green onions in the mix. Little mix and we're done. Super easy, super tasty. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.